into y. So I am writing here general form of linear d in terms of x variable. So dy by dx plus p of x into y is equals to q of x. If we observe this, this is dy by dx as it is available, and p of x is 1 by x, we can assume, into y is there, is equals to q of x. Right hand side is only q of x? No. Q of x is x into sine x, but we are having y power n also. We are having y power n also. In that case, what we have to do? What we have to identify? The given differential equation is a Bernoulli's differential equation in y. Okay, so writing that, rewriting this, given d is starting solution. Given d is dy by dx plus y by x is equals to y square into x sine x. Taking it as equation number 1 is a Bernoulli's d in which variable? Which variable? Y variable. d in y variable. So nothing but it's like that. Whenever it is a Bernoulli's d in y, then what we need to do? What we discussed in procedure, right hand side we are having y power n. So we divided with y power n on both sides. So same manner, that point we are going to do here itself. Same steps what we discussed in procedure, we are going to do with that. So divide with, what is y power n value in the problem? What is y power n value in the problem? N value is 2. So divide with y square on both sides. Divide with y square on both sides, then we'll get, what we'll get? 1 by y square into dy by dx plus 1 by x into y by y square is equals to y square x into sine x by y square. Right hand side y square gets cancels. Okay, then we are going to get, what is the simplification of this? 1 by y square into dy by dx plus 1 by x into 1 by y is equals to x into sine x. Okay, taking it as equation number 2. I'll tell you why I'm taking it as equation number 2. Now, what is the coefficient of dy by dx? Should be only in functions of, actually it should be only in functions of dy by dx coefficient should be 1. But what we have? Function in terms of dependent variable. Now, is it acceptable in terms of y variable? Is it acceptable or not, the coefficient? Yes, acceptable. Acceptable. So treat this is dy by dx plus p of x into y is equals to q of x. So this is q of x and this is p of x. In place of y, what we have? In place of y, what we have? 1 by y. So what we have to substitute? Substitute 1 by y is equals to a new variable. That is important. So put 1 by y equals to a new variable z. When we take a new variable, then immediately what we have to do? Differentiate on both sides with respect to which variable? What is the independent variable? In equation number 2, what is independent variable? X. So differentiate on both sides with respect to x variable on both sides. Then if we do differentiation, then what is the differentiation of 1 by y with respect to x? Minus 1 by y square into dy by dx is equals to dz by dx. Now, according to our discussion, what is the left hand side should be exactly like our the term which is available here in the differential term available in equation number 2. In equation 2, what is the differential term exist? That should be available. Okay. So what is this first term, differential term? 1 by y square into dy by dx. What we have here? Minus 1 by y square into dy by dx. So what we have to do? We have to take minus to right hand side. So 1 by y square into dy by dx equals to minus dz by dx. So taking this as equation number, okay, substituting these are the things in equation number 2. Okay, substituting these are the things in equation number 2. Now, if we substitute, what is going to become? The first term becomes, what is the first term? 1 by y square into dy by dx. It becomes as, okay, I would write substitute in equation 2. Then we get minus dz by dx plus 1 by x into 1 by y. What is 1 by y value? Is z is equals to, what is the right hand side? X into sine x. Check equation number 2 is this only. Yes, we substituted in place of 1 by y z, in place of 1 by y square into dy by dx, substituted minus dz by dx. Now, according to our discussion, what is the dz by dx coefficient? Should be only 1, but here it is minus 1. So multiply with minus 1 on both sides. So we'll get dz by dx minus, otherwise plus, minus 1 by x into dx. Oh, sorry, minus 1 by x into z equals to minus x into sine x. Taking this as equation number 3. Now, check it. What is equation number 3? How it looks like? Is a linear D differential equation in Z variable. So now we got a linear differential equation in Z. So what we have to do? Compare with, which one we have to compare? Immediately after equation 3 we are writing. So we are comparing equation 3 with dz by dx plus p of x into z equals to q of x. Okay, so check whether it is in that form only. So what is p of x here? What is p of x? Z coefficient in the equation number 3 in the left hand side second term, minus 1 by x, and q of x equals to minus x into sine x. So immediately after, okay, now forget about our problem. What is equation 3? Is a linear differential equation in Z. This general solution we need to find. How to find the general solution of equation number 3? First we need to find integrating factor. Yes or no? So what is the integrating factor formula? E power integral p of x into dx. Again, I am repeating the problem of a linear. So this equation 3 is problem of linear differential equation indirectly. So p of x is a minus 1 by x into dx. We'll get e power minus integration of 1 by x into dx is log x is equals to exponential of, how we can write this one? Log of x power minus 1. So exponential and logarithmic functions both are inverse operators. Then we'll get x power minus 1 is the answer. So finally, what we can conclude? Integrating factor if equals to what? 1 by x. 1 by x. When we get the integrating factor of this, then what is the next one? Then general solution of linear D in Z. What is the equation number 3? That is equation 3. Solution of equation 3 is, what is the formula of equation 3? It is a linear D in Z. So what is the formula? Z into if is equals to integration of q of x into if into dx. So we'll get z into, what is if? 1 by x equals to integration of what is q of x? Minus x into sine x is our q of x into integrating factor is 1 by x into dx. Now, if we observe, we can cancel this x with this x. Both are in product. So finally, what we'll get? Z by x equals to minus 1 into integration of sine x into dx. What is integration of sine x? What is integration of sine x? Minus cos x. Z by x is equals to minus 1 into cos x, but actually minus cos x. So minus into minus become plus. So completed integration we can add with the c. Just for understanding purpose, plus a symbol in the right hand side first term, I used two different colors. Actually, one minus is a black color, which is already existed. Integration of sine x is minus cos x. That I marked with the horizontal line. Okay, vertical line. So replace, this is the general solution of what? Is general solution of which equation? Which equation?
Equation 1.
Equation 3, not 1. Equation 3. How to get the general solution of equation 1? Replace z equals to, what is the z we substituted? What we substituted? Z equals to 1 by y. Okay, then we'll get 1 by x into z. Z is nothing but 1 by y. So 1 by xy is equals to cos x plus c is general solution of given dE. Given Bernoulli's dE, you can mention, because you mentioned in at the time of equation number 1, it's a Bernoulli. E general solution of given Bernoulli's dE. Okay, this is the thing. Still, any other doubts? Solve dy by dx into x square y cube plus xy is equals to 1. Now, according to our discussion, dy by dx coefficient may be 1 or maybe in functions of dependent variable y, but here it is in terms of x variables also. So what we have to do here, can I divide on both sides with this? X square y cube plus xy, yes or no? Yes or no, or any other choice. If we divide with that, then dy by dx equals to what we'll get it? 1 by x square y cube. Okay, better I will use general only. Okay, what we'll get? 1 by x square y cube plus xy. But can I separate here x variables or y variables like p of x into y is equals q of x form? No, it is not possible. So because of that reason, we should not consider like that. Why I written like this and marking cross mark? Then at the time of preparation, you can understand why we should not write like that. So we divided with this, it is not possible. So what we have to do, we discussed a problem in our linear case, like x plus 2y square into dy by dx equals to 1. So what we did, this dy by dx taking to right hand side, it is in the product, taking to right hand side will become reverse. So what is the left hand side? X square y cube plus xy is equals to dx by dy. Now rewriting this equation, now dx by dy. What is the dependent variable here? X plus which term I can bring to left hand side? Which term I can bring to left hand side? I can bring to this xy term, I can bring to other side. So it will become minus xy is equals to x square y cube. Now, what is the dependent variable here? What is the dependent variable here? X. So is a Bernoulli's DE in X? In X variable. How can we say it is a Bernoulli's DE in X? So I am writing, what is the general form of Bernoulli's DE in X? Dx by dy plus p of y into x is equals to q of y into x power n. What is x power n value here? What is x power n value? 2. X power 2 here. In place of x power n, we have x power 2. So what we have to do? From this equation, what we have to do? Divide with which one? X square on both sides. Okay, divide equation 1 with x square. Then we'll get 1 by x square into dx by dy minus, I'm writing direct step, y into x by x square. What is x by x square? 1 by x is equals to y cube into x square by x square is y cube. Okay, so now I'm going to get, this is the equation. Now check it. What is this? It is a linear differential equation or not? Check. It looks like linear or not. So what is the general form of linear differential equation? Differential term coefficient should be 1 or maybe in functions of x variable. So it is in functions, okay, in functions of a dependent variable. What is the dependent variable? Is x. So it may be in functions of x. So it is acceptable. This term is acceptable, differential term. Plus p of y into x is equals to q of y. So this is in functions of y. This is also in functions of y. In place of x, what we have? In place of x, what we have? 1 by x is there. So because of that reason, what we need to substitute? Put 1 by x equals to a new variable. So what is a new variable? In general, taking as z. So what we have to do next step? Differentiate on both sides with respect to which variable? What is independent variable in our problem? Is y. So differentiate with respect to y variable. In the problem is nothing but in equation number 2. Okay, differentiate with respect to y, then what we'll get? What's the differentiation of 1 by x with respect to y? Minus 1 by x square into dx by dy is equals to dz by dy. Now on both sides, multiply with minus 1. If we multiply with minus 1, why should I have to multiply with minus 1? Because we should get only 1 by x square into dx by dy. So that multiply with minus 1, we'll get 1 by x square into dx by dy is equals to minus 1 into dz by dy. Now substituting all these things in equation number, which one? Equation number 2. Substitute in equation number 2. What is that equation number 2? Left hand, first term is 1 by x square into dx by dy. So as it is we have, then if both are same, then whatever we substituted is correct. Yes or no? That point only I discussed. So what we'll get here? Minus dz by dy minus y into 1 by x is nothing but z is equals to y cube. On both sides, what we have to do? Multiply with minus 1 because of dz by dy coefficient should be only 1. So dz by dy plus y into z is equals to minus y cube. Minus y cube. Now observe that it is a linear DE in y, sorry, in z. Equation 3 is a linear DE in which variable? Z variable. So because of that reason, what we have to do? Which one we have to compare? Compare with, what is the general form of linear DE in z? Dz by dy plus p of y into z equals to q of y. Okay, so Now, what we have to substitute? Okay, what is P of X? So P of Y. P of Y equals to simply Y. Q of Y equals to minus YQ. So now, what is integrating factor? IF equals to e power integral P of Y into dy. So I'm just writing directly. Exponential of integration of y dy is y square by 2. So this is our integrating factor. This is our integrating factor. Okay. Now going with the general solution. What is the general solution of equation number 3?
Indeed.
General solution of equation 3. General solution of equation number 3 is 3 is a linearity in z. Z into if is equals to integration of q of y into if into dy. Okay. So if we go with this, then what is a z into what is if? Exponential of y square by 2. Inside the exponential only y square by 2 is the integration of minus y cube is q of y. Exponential of y square by 2 is if into dy. Now, how to find the solution of right hand side part? We have to go for substitution. What we have to substitute? Put y square by 2 is equals to a new variable t. Then on both sides, okay, y square equals to 2t. On both sides, differentiate, general differentiation, what we'll get? 2y dy is equals to 2 dt. So simply y dy equals to dt. So substituting all these other things in our equation. Okay. So now writing this y cube as, how I am writing y cube as? Y square into y. So that y square I kept here, and one more y I multiplied with the d1. Now I am substituting all these other things here, right hand side. Then what we are going to get the right hand side part? Minus 1 into what is y square? Is t. E power, sorry, y square is 2t. Sorry, y square is 2t. So we'll get here it is 2t. Y square by 2 is t. So e power t into y into dy. What is y into dy? Is dt. Is dt. So left hand side, I'm substituting only right hand side wherever we require to find integration. Okay. So be careful, students. Don't substitute y square by 2 is equals to. Don't substitute y square by 2 is equals to t. I don't want to disturb the class. Okay, now what is going to happen right hand side? So left hand side will be the same. Exponential of y square by 2 is equals to minus 2 is constant. Integration of t into e power t into dt. How to find the integration of t into e power t into dt? I think in the last class we discussed one problem, or you learned a intermediate a formula. The formula is integration of x into e power x into dx equals to x into e power x minus e power x. Okay. So this is the thing. Yes or no? So using this formula, I'm writing the right hand side integration like integration is in terms of t variable. So minus 2 into what we'll get? Integration of t into e power t is t into e power t minus e power t. Okay. Z into e power y square by 2 left hand side. Now total integration completed, but still we can add with c, but still replace t with what we considered y square by 2. Replace t is equals to y square by 2. So replace t is equals to y square by 2. Then we are going to get z into exponential of y square by 2 is equals to minus 2 into t into e power t. What is t? Y square by 2 exponential of y square by 2. Otherwise, we can do like this. We can take e power t common. So what we'll get? E power y square by 2 into y square by 2 minus 1. So completed integration in the previous step itself. So we have to add plus c. Okay. So now tell me how to do the next step. What is the next step? This is the general solution of equation number 3. So is general solution of equation 3. But we need to find the general solution of equation 1. For that, what we need to do? Replace
z.
What we have to replace? Z equals to 1 by x we considered. Check it. Here we kept it in the box. 1 by x equals to z. So replace z equals to 1 by x. So if we replace that, then we'll get it 1 by x into exponential of y square by 2 is equals to minus 2. I'm taking inside. What is going to become? Exponential of y square by 2 into minus 2 minus 1 becomes plus 2. Minus 2 multiplied with y square by 2 will get minus y square plus c. This is our general solution of given differential equation. Is general solution of given Bernoulli's dE, given equation number 1 or given differential equation. So I explained here one problem with so how to find the solution of Bernoulli's dE in y. One problem, how to find the solution of Bernoulli's dE in x. I'm just briefly explaining the fourth one. So these are the 4, 5, 6, 7 problems. Now I'll explain the seventh one. Before explaining the seventh one, how to do fourth problem. Actually, what is our linear differential equation? dy by dx plus p of x into y, y is there, is equals to q of x. But q of x into y power n is there. What is the y power n value? Y power minus 2. Okay. So instead of y power n, we are having by y power n. If it is y power n, what we have to do? Divide with y power n. Instead of numerator y power n, we are having y square is in denominator. So what we have to do now? Multiply with y square. If we multiply with y square, what we are going to get? Here we'll get y square into dy by dx. This is y cube, and here it's going to cancel. So now observe that clearly. I'm changing the green color. This dy by dx coefficient may be in functions, coefficient may be y in terms of dependent variable y. So it is acceptable. Acceptable. Okay. So treat this is dy by dx plus p of x into y. In place of y, what we have? Y cube is equals to q of x. Right hand side is only in functions of x variable. So in place of y, what we have? Y cube. So what we have to substitute? Y cube is equals to new variable z. So if we do differentiation on both sides with respect to independent variable as x. Okay. So 3y square into dy by dx is equals to dz by dx. Now y square into dy by dx equals to 1 by 3 into dz by dx. Okay. Now how it looks like? Check what I mentioned in the previous cases. The first term, that means here, sorry, I should not use the undo. So now if we check how it looks like, right hand side first term. What is the first term of right hand side? Y square into dy by dx. What is the left hand? Okay. What is the left hand side first differential term? Y square into dy by dx. What is the left hand side term after doing differentiation? Y square into dy by dx. So now tell me, our substitution is correct or not? Yes, it is correct. So you go with that substitution, then you can finish it easily. I hope I satisfied with the person who asked for problem number 4. Now, problem number 6. Going with the problem number 6. Problem number. So I'm taking problem number 6. So solution of problem number 6 is this. So these are given differential equation. Now, according to our discussion, what is the d/dx coefficient should be? Only one, or maybe in terms of dependent variable y. But here it is in terms of which variable? X variable. So what we have to do? We have to divide with 1 minus x square. If we divide with 1 minus x square, what is going to become? It's going to become as the first term is dy by dx plus x by 1 minus x square into y is equals to sine inverse x by 1 minus x square into y cube. Now observe that dy by dx plus p of x into y is equals to q of x into y power n. How it looks like? It is a linear, okay. Bernoulli's d in, taking this as equation number 1, is a Bernoulli d BERNOULLI of first phase d in y variable. So whenever it is a Bernoulli's d in y variable, so what we have to do? On both sides, we have to divide with
1 by y cube.
Divide with y cube, not 1 by y cube. If you want to say 1 by y cube, then multiply with y cube. Okay, so that is important. So divide with simply y cube. When we write divide, then only y cube. Then we'll get 1 by y cube into dy by dx, writing direct steps, plus x by 1 minus x square into y by y cube is 1 by y square is equals to sine inverse x by 1 minus x square. Now, if we observe dy by dx coefficient may be constant, or maybe 1, or maybe in terms of dependent variable y. So it is acceptable. Treat dy by dx plus p of x into y. In place of y, what we have? 1 by y square. So we have to substitute 1 by y square equals to a new variable z, okay, is equals to q of x. So it's everything is in our format only. So taking it as equation number 2, now what we have to substitute? Put 1 by y square equals to a new variable z, put 1 by y square equals to z. Then whenever we substitute a new variable, then what we have to do? Differentiate on both sides with respect to independent variable in the equation number 2. What is the independent variable in equation 2? X. Then if we differentiate, what we'll get? Minus 2 by y cube into dy by dx. Differentiation of 1 by y square. What is a 1 by y square can be written as y power minus 2. What is the differentiation of y power minus 2? Minus 2 into y power minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 into dy by dx. So rewriting this, then it will become as minus 2 by y cube into dy by dx is equals to dz by dx. Then here, if you observe in equation number 2, what is the differential term is available? 1 by y cube into dy by dx. So can I get in the form of 1 by y cube into dy by dx? Yes, but we have to divide with minus 2. Okay, so because of that reason, minus 2 I am bringing to right hand side. So we'll get 1 by y cube into dy by dx equals to minus 1 by 2 into dz by dx. Okay, now substitute these two boxes in equation number 2. Substitute in equation 2. Okay. So how to write the first term? Minus 1 by 2 into dz by dx plus x by 1 minus x square into, what is the 1 by y square value? What we substituted is z is equals to, what is the right hand side? As it is, sine inverse x by 1 minus x square. Now, what is a differential term? Coefficient should be 1. But what we have here? Minus 1 by 2. So what we have to do? Multiply with the minus 2 on both sides. Multiply with minus 2 on both sides. If we multiply with minus 2, we are going to get dz by dx plus minus 2x by 1 minus x square into z is equals to minus 2 into sine inverse x by 1 minus x square. Now, treat this as equation number 3. Check how it looks like. How equation 3 looks like?
Linear
dz by
D in Z.
linear d in z. What is the linear d in z? dz by dx plus p of x into z. P of x into z is equals to q of x. So right hand, okay, equation number 3 is a linear d in z. So direct steps I'll write. So compare with this is the equation. Then what is integrating factor we'll get? What is p of x? Minus 2x by 1 minus x square. What is q of x? Minus 2 into sine inverse x by 1 minus x square. So here, this problem you will feel difficulty only with the sine inverse x. So now finding the integrating factor. What is integrating factor? E power integral p of x into, I am writing p of x directly, minus 2x by 1 minus x square into dx. Now anybody can say, what is the value of this integration? If you observe, it looks like
Log of 1 minus x square.
Yes, log of 1 minus x square. Why? How your friend is saying that? If you treat the denominator as f of x function, differentiation of 1 minus x square is minus 2x, numerator is there. So it is in the form of integral f dash by f is equals to log of f. So because of that, getting it, that implies what we'll get finally, integrating factor if equals to 1 minus x square. So now, general solution of equation 3. Therefore, then general solution of equation 3 is, what is equation 3? Is a linear d in z. So z into if, writing direct step. What is if? 1 minus x square is equals to integration of q of x. What is q of x? Minus 2 into sine inverse x by 1 minus x square into if. What is if? 1 minus x square into dx. So now here, which are the things gets cancels? This 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square gets cancels. So finally, what we'll get it? That implies z into 1 minus x square equals to minus 2 into integration of sine inverse x into dx. What is the differentiation of sine inverse x? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. What is the integration of sine inverse x? That is important. So you will feel difficult here. Integration of sine inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. No, it is wrong. So I am writing here the formula. Already this formula also available in the list of formulas which I posted in the website. Is equals to, you have to use here integration of by parts. Okay. So if you use the integration by parts, directly I am writing the formula x into sine inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square. This is the formula. Just for your understanding purpose, I am writing here. If you don't know this formula, then it is very difficult to find this solution. Z into 1 minus x square is equals to minus 2 into, what is the sine inverse x? X into sine inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square. So completed integration, so we will add plus a c. This is the general solution of what? Equation number 3. So how to find the general solution of equation number 1? Replace z. What we substituted z equals to? What we substituted z equals to? I think 1 by x square or y square. Check it.
1 by y square.
Yes, 1 by y square we substituted. Z equals to, here it is. So replace z equals to 1 by y square. So what we'll get finally? That implies 1 minus x square into z. Z is nothing but 1 by y square. So we'll get 1 minus x square by y square is equals to minus 2. Okay, can I bring that minus 2 to left hand side? It will become plus 2 into x into sine inverse of sine inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square is equals to c, is general solution of given Bernoulli's to you. Okay. Bernoulli's to you. This is the solution of given problem number 6. Now,